Yo guys, welcome to Drifter Surf Shop, the best surf shop in the world. Hello. Wow, this is my new board, dude.
New board.
Woo. Get all your gear here with the good boys. Yeah. Oh, I just finished to grab this beauty, and I'm gonna testing at the best spot in the world, Uluwatu. Woo. This looks so fun. Hello, mister. Ayo surfing. Woo. Let's go, guys. Oh, looks so fun out there. Excited. Let's go. So I want to let you guys know this board is Early Bird, the new model of Drifter. Look at how beautiful is it. Makes like 6'1" with 32 liter. It's good for daily board or everyday board. So excited to try, and then let's go. Whoa, 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 look at that pumping Uluwatu in the rainy season. It's a bit windy, but still kind of fun. Let's go, guys. Wow, looks like the big ship out there nearby the surfer. What they're doing here? Whew. Hopefully they're not wrecking the wave. I don't know if you can see, but that's a big ship out there. Whew. Wow, it's beautiful wave in Uluwatu today. Whew. That's sick. You're right. Enjoy. Let's get a couple more, and you guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go having fun. Yee-hoo. Let's go. Oh, my feet's so hard. Ah. Oh. Ah. That was so good. Woo! Oh gosh, last wave was so long. I feel like I burned my feet. Now on the way back there, I just gotta do a pedal slowly. What a fun day. Oh, this was magic. Get the turn. Let's go, get more. So stoked. Thank you, drifter. Whew. Ah. Oh. Whew. Tired. Go, 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 go! Oh. Get a bomb. Uh-oh. What? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Do something! Woo! Nice! That was sick turn.
Thank you.
It's good. Woo! What's your name? Bruno Santos.
Yeah,
No. Sophia?
no.
Siapa?
Flora.
Oh, Flora. I forget.
The one and only.
Go! Go, 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 go! Phew. Oh. Ah. Woo. Oh, no taker. Go! Watch out! Woo! Oh shit! Woo! Oh. Alright guys, so far this board, the early board working really good. I loved it. Work with this condition. It's not glassy Uluwatu but still fun. It's good, you know, the best work I do is testing the new board. If you need one, just go to the drifter surf shop and make custom order, or you can go by to the shop and checking the board. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. No complaint about this board. Feels so good, first time try. Whew. Grab yours at Drifter Surf Shop, or you can check at the driftersurfshop.com, or you can find me at the shop to know how the feel of this board. Thank you for watching. I'm so stoked today. The big sip bring good energy. And I'll see you next video. Yee-hoo. Yee-hoo. Hello. Whew.